What's up, homie? I'm Tony. Many customers will ask about some details on our materials. We're producing different products before they order. So today I'll introduce some of them to you. Let's go. First, our stainless steel and acrylic. What we're using now is 304 grade stainless steel. It is anti-rust, which can ensure good corrosion resistance. But there are some other suppliers use normal stainless steel that is easy to rust as time goes by. And on acrylic, we adopt 100% virgin material acrylic. It has low lifespan and won't lose color in 8 to 10 years. The extruded acrylic used by some other factories will turn yellow very fast and break easily. Second, our LED. The LED we're using with CE/UL Row certification. 3 to 5 years warranty. One thing you should know is LED warranty less than 1 year is easy to burn. Why? Most of the signs installed in tall location, so it will make maintenance very costly and difficult. But with our high quality LED, you don't need to worry about this problem anymore. It will also bring you good reputation. And last, our transformer. We use transformer with 5 years warranty from Meanwell brand. Lighting more even. There are some other factories may use low quality and dangerous transformer. Then the sign will be easier to flicker. The cost of changing power supply is very high. So choosing a good supply is the key to help you save money and prevent some big trouble that may happen in the future. As you can see, the materials we're using are of high quality on material and products. We always pursue quality first. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now. Hit the like button and comment down below. And don't forget to follow lcsign on these two platforms. See you next time.